Well, hello there. Welcome to another break here from Bounty Hunter Breaks. This is Boba Fett me. And yesterday, when I was out shopping after breakfast, or actually both before and after, I went and I found some more Big League Baseball by Fred Meyer. So I grabbed another blaster because it was a fun rip the first time, and I'm still debating about getting a hobby box. And because again, this is like $25, and you can get a full hobby box for $50, or maybe even slightly less than that. So, yeah, you definitely get a lot of cards out of the hobby box, as well as out of one of these blasters. You get, what is it, 11 packs? I forget now. 10 packs. But there's 80 cards in a box. But yeah, the first one produced a nice low SP insert, or an SP card. And I do like the fact that they have those slit. I wish they did that with everything, with that little slit, so that way it would just open up nice and easy. So it looks like we got a blue. Oh no, this is the insert. The hello, my name is, and this one's Babe Herman, George Herman Ruth, and then you got a George Springer foil board, and our first mascot card, the Phillie Phanatic. Like I said, I really like it. I mean, granted, it's intended for kids, a nice entry-level product, but it's a really fun rip. Got a City Slicker, Christopher Morel for the, I think that's the Cubs. Yep. And Spencer Torkelson foil board. It seems like autographs are really, I don't want to say super easy to pull, but they're a lot more predominant in this product for retail release. Derek Hall rookie, another rookie, Corey Lee. Our first orange, Cody Bellinger. Christopher Morel. Just like the cereal box. Yeah, Drake cereal. Corbin Burns. I want to say the orange were the blaster exclusive, because they call it electric orange. But I want to say the rookie one looks like a little bit more of a foily look to it, whereas the regular base cards are just matte. Oh, there's our 8-bit baller of Vlad Guerrero. And another foil board of Miguel Vargas, rookie for the Dodgers. There's another orange. Got Oscar Gonzalez, rookie for the Guardians. Christian Javier is our orange here. Whoops. And then our hello, my name is, a second Yankee, Aaron Judge. Hunter Brown, foil board rookie. Just another, something different. City Slicker, Bobby Witt Jr. And our foil board here is Wander. Four packs to go. Nothing numbered yet. I know you're not guaranteed anything numbered, but Oh, there's our cereal box Trout. And then behind that, a Jeremy Pena. Next pack. Another orange. Jeter Downs, former Red Sox prospect. JJ Bleday, an 8-bit baller of Rafi Devers. Kyle Tucker, foil board. 2 packs to go. Here's our actual foil board, our orange foil board. And we got a nice Acuna, hello, my name is. And behind that, Ezekiel Tovar, foil board rookie. And our electric orange Corbin Burns. Last pack, last chance for anything, and this one slid on both sides. Got something here, a black. I think it's a black anyway, maybe not. It looks like we only had the one mascot in this box. So you got a Matthew Liberatore, foil board rookie for the Cardinals. Our orange, Tony Gonsolin. So I think that's the second Gonsolin parallel. And our final card looks like it might just be a City Slicker. Yep, Jazz Chisholm. So nothing too crazy. So kind of do a recap here. Okay. So, quick recap. Nothing numbered, but for inserts, you got the City Slickers of Jazz Chisholm, Bobby Witt, Christopher Morel, so one rookie, 8-bit baller, Vlad, and Rafi Devers. For what I would refer to as the cereal box, as well, Christopher Morel rookie and a Mike Trout. And then for hello, my name is Aaron Judge, Ronald Acuna, and Babe Ruth. And then the one mascot was the Philly Fanatic. So yeah, not as exciting as the first box I ripped to this, but all in all, still a fun rip. But anyway, hope you all enjoyed the video and have a great rest of your day. And as always, keep collecting.